Hey everyone, this is Jasper here from Sales Hub. So if you're looking for a growth hack today, no need to watch this. This is actually a real sales strategy that works. Uh, there's some tendency to call growth hacks for, well, they're hacks, they're very short term, right? So you want to build sales strategies that works for you. So I'm going to show you a test we did yesterday night for Exact Visitor, my colleague Lori, she did. So basically, she went into to Tech Tracker here. She downloaded a list of actually all Albacross customers. You see right here, she downloaded the CSV, and it's super simple. Download the CSV. Then with Sales Navigator, you can import a CSV maximum 1,000 rows at a time. And she created this one with Albacross customers. So that's what she imported. Okay, so the way you're going to do this is you're going to take Sales Hub. You're going to say my contacts because you want to roll them in from the plugin, and you want to use Sales Navigator to have real actionable data because you want to do the searches that really works. So let me show you. So let's assume you download the CSV, you import it into an account list in Sales Navigator. What you then can do is you can go in and say, I want to go in and say custom list. So I'm going to take this one, Albacross customers. Right now there's 420k people right here. So you're gonna go in and say, I know my persona. So precisely, you wanna be hyper targeted and test. And the reason why we testing Albacross right now is we testing how does Exact Visitor scale on outbound repeatable way faster. And some of the ways we do it is we have a unique edge over our competitors. So we tested lead feeder. We have a great conversion. We wanted to test if we have a faster conversion with Albacross. And so far, she booked 3 enterprise clients after 2 hours after running this. So clearly some good data to work on. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the job titles, current job titles like CMO, VP Sales, Director of Sales, VP Marketing, as an example right here. So you're going to narrow it down for the people you really want to talk to. Now you're going to run the search, and you'll find the right people right here. Basically what Lordana did then was she opens the plugin, she takes the Albacross leads automation, and then she scroll down, just load them all into the plugin, and then she can add right here on the people that do truly matters. I'm just going to add a couple of more to her campaign. So this is actually fully automated from this point. So all these individuals actually be reached out to right now without doing anything further. But the point is, she's finding right here the right people in the right companies with the right message, and that has a higher conversion rate than uploading a CSV file of technology installs to something like Hunter or Find That Lead or any of these email scrapers where they have a lot of info, a few job titles, and you don't narrow down to the person you really want to speak to. So that's like asking your email or your LinkedIn connection request to get blocked at some point. So you gotta be super targeted, as is shown you right here. And at this point, they roll into the automation, and then we start seeing replies on LinkedIn and email, and we're booking demos. It's really that simple. So just to recap, create the search in Tech Tracker, download the CSV file, you have it right here, go to LinkedIn, account list, upload this list, upload a CSV, right? It takes a couple of minutes. Once it's in, you can create a search of all the employees. You take the account list of all the companies you imported. You can even add like filters, which she did in her example of company headcount. So you can be super precise saying, I only want 51 to 200 employees. Job titles has to be correct. And then you load in the people that truly are more likely to convert. So you really focus on high qualified leads versus spraying and praying. So this is my tip to you. Go and do it today. All you need is Tech Tracker and Sales Hub. You don't need anything else. And as you see right here, she build out a complete campaign. If you verify the email, they get a LinkedIn connection request, a LinkedIn message, and then you start sending emails. You see here, she built quite a few steps to make sure she has a conversation. And in this case, if they did not connect, didn't have verified emails, well, we go the LinkedIn route. But again, we only focus on highly qualified leads. We don't focus on the wrong job titles, the wrong companies. We know who we're talking to, and that will dumb down the conversion rate and your numbers will be much better. So if you want to scale your business today, don't listen to all the growth hacks out there. They're really not tailored around it. It's just, I'm downloading a list and I'm really hoping somebody replies. You got to start working with data. So we tested this with Lead Feeder. Right now I'm doing Valve across. And we're looking at the competitive landscape to exactly sort of saying, hey, we can track the person, not just the company. So we know that these companies have that need and they want to get to the next level. So we're communicating with those first before we go greenfield opportunities. And that's a strategy that works. But again, if you start sending emails to random lists of people not really targeted, and again, this is already verified, I don't need to do anything else, upload to different tools. It's simply just to go through Sales Navigator, apply the right filters, add them to the automation. And if I want to, I got to set in manual prospecting right here, and I got to done personalization if I really wanted to narrow it further down. And then I'll have my personalization task here, have talking points, the latest LinkedIn post. If I will be able to see if I have people in common, if I prospect more people from the same company. And I can change my message right here. So I can be hyper targeted. If you want to do sales right, take this approach. Thank you for watching.